Assalamu alaikum. My name is Rashid, and in this tutorial I will tell you that how you can calculate the percentage in MS Excel. So first of all, let me tell you about the data, that what kind of data on which we are going to work. So here you can see the dates, name, target and sale. Target is the total, okay, which we have to get, and sales is the value which we get. So here we have to calculate the percentage, that how percentage sale is of the target. So for this I will just mark is equal to, okay, the sale, and I just need to divide it with where is the sign of divide. It is, and the target, okay, and it will give me 78%. I will copy it and paste it here, and as well this 75% is showing that the total target was 6,000, and 4,481 is the achieved target, which is the 75% of the total target. And it is showing the individual target, like Rashid get 779, which is 78% of the 1000 of the total target. So this is the way by which you can show the percentage, and from here you have to select the percentage which is already in the shape of percentage. I will center line it. So this is the way by which we can calculate the percentage in MS Excel. And the one more thing, that is you just need to subscribe my channel for more videos. Okay, thank you so much for your time.